Hey everybody, I love vans and I am at a place where hundreds, if not thousands of vans every year get converted to a myriad of uses and a myriad of use cases. Let's go find out more. So the great news for me is I have an access all areas pass to Modul-System. So we will get under the skin of a lot of vans. It's going to be great. Welcome to one of my favourite features here at Modul-System. This is a place, a back of a van in the flesh that engineers, trades, utilities can come and visualise everything that they want to do for their people. And it really is built on a very solid traditional foundation. But things they are changing and the industry is evolving fast, as we know, and innovation is key. So let's get out there and see exactly how Modul-System are making this happen. So an amazing hubbub in the new area, an extra 20,000 square feet of capability here in York. Not only that, obviously an increase in the local economy, employing lots of people, but also increasing the output, moving from 2,000 to 3,000 vehicles in terms of capability every year from this site alone. The expansion includes a huge parts department with over £1 million worth of stock. This is an incredibly busy site. So busy, they've got me picking parts. I don't know, every day's a school day. One of the most important things here at Modul-System is the people, and we are joined by George. George, you're brand new to the business. How long have you been here and what are you doing?
I'm brand new. It's my second week. It's been incredible so far. One of the things that's really struck me about Modul-Systems is the level of technical expertise and the innovations that they bring out.
And from your point of view, just in this early stages, what's really stood out as innovation that's going to make a difference?
I would say the Modul-Connect system. We're now on the 4th generation, and the idea and premise behind it is that you're trying to declutter the dashboard. For a fleet operator at the moment, there are so many retrofitted technologies that are distracting the drivers, fitted at different stages in the fleet life cycle, so there's no level of standardization, and it also interrupts the workflow of that driver or engineer. So the Modul-Connect provides that one central control point, either through a mobile application, could be through an OEM user interface, or it could be through a mobile application, and that's going to control all the vehicle's accessories. So that could be from lights and beacons, as you can see in here, all the way through to onboard weighing solutions. So it provides that one point of control to make it a more safe and more efficient solution for your fleet.
Now, George is a business development manager for Modul-System, and he is out telling all of the fleet managers and drivers exactly how that Modul-Connect system works. Everything through the dashboard here in the cab. One dashboard, which means that the driver is not distracted across multiple different touch points. If you need to know more about that system, you can just access that through this video here. We go into a lot of detail on how to use it and everything that it offers you. The focus on driver efficiency is clear from everything else that happens here in the cab as well, with cab tidies, seat covers, and many other tools that make driving life much more efficient. The challenges of change, if you're ignoring the weather, for companies like Modul-System are electrification. Of course, fleets are expecting a degree of knowledge and understanding around the innovation that's going inside the van. But of course, for the tenders and the delivery processes that Modul-System have to meet, electrification in terms of actually getting energy into the vehicles is important. So it's great that they've embraced change and are delivering charging for all of the vehicles that they convert. Innovation is a watchword here at Modul-System. They have used their Modul-Connect system to connect up so many different things and control so many things. Have you got enough heat to get started on a cold day? Yes, they can precondition your vehicle. They can also tell you in a world of electrification whether you're going to get home on the charge that you've got in your vehicle. And one thing that I really do love is this weighing tool. So they have got an onboard weighing system which allows you to know exactly how much weight you have in the back. Simple sensors in the axle springs just allow the system to pick up exactly what weight is in the back and then adjust that on the dashboard so that the driver knows that they can drive with confidence. In a world of change, it's great to know that people like Modul-System are innovating to meet the needs. Jerry, as head of sales, you must be really chuffed with the expansion that's happening here.
Yeah, up in York, this has been a fantastic opportunity for us to grow our business. So we've gone from a 20,000 square foot building to 40,000 square foot, which has allowed us to now have capacity up in York of 3,000 plus vehicles. Wow,
and that expansion really is going to make a difference for your customers. What does it give to the customers that might come to you?
Great question. So basically what that gives to the customers, we now can facilitate north and south builds, reducing carbon footprint, as well as that gives us the opportunity to do 9,000 plus builds for the whole entire group.
Wow, now that's a big number, but I'm guessing that you've got desires beyond that number also.
There are definitely future expansion plans for this site, and it's a really exciting time for ourselves here at Modul-System and our customers.
What a privilege to witness firsthand this expansion here in York for Modul-System. Modul-System are growing exponentially. This is good news for them, but also good news for their customers. That focus on innovation and delivering response to the challenges of change that's going on in their industry, not least electrification, meeting the need of all of the fleets that they need their vehicles charged before they get to them. This is innovation in practice, and I love it, along with all the vans. Have a great day, everybody.